Welcome everyone to another Soul Drives video, and welcome, again into the beautiful Black Forest on this, very beautiful sunny Saturday. I am currently out for a drive with the all-new BMW M5. 727 horsepower, 1000 Newton meters of torque, hybrid. We are in, one of the heaviest cars I have ever driven. 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 that really pushes you back into the seat. It is, very quick. I decided to bring it to one of the most narrowest, curviest roads that I know, to really test how good BMW can handle all this weight, because this is really about 2.5 tons, a really heavy car. And right off the bat, I have to say, if you don't push it too much, the car feels very capable. I mean, you got mad acceleration, obviously, with that amount of power, and also a quite fast gearbox. I'm not really all that happy with the response time, especially on the downshifts. For my taste, it should be a little bit quicker, but overall it's a very capable car. I think I got some pumped in sounds. I have everything set to the most sportiest settings, and there's a setting which is called the M sound, and just for testing purposes I'm gonna turn that off and see. Oh, okay, the sound disappears pretty much completely. I mean, it's still there, you can still hear the V8. Let's just test that. M sound is off, and okay. I mean, it's obviously way less. Some people may prefer this. But I mean, for the video and for the maximum emotions that you can get out of a modern car, we're obviously gonna turn it back on. A lot of grip. We're not going all too slow through these tight corners, but the car still, with its very heavy weight, still likes to change directions. You do feel that you're really pushing around a lot of weight with this heavy car, but this is not slow. Around the corners, one turn in. You can have quite some fun with this car. Besides that, I think the car also has a great spec. I'm really a fan of the blue metallic paint job, and the interior quality-wise, and this two-tone white and black interior with all of these carbon fiber parts and the displays and everything, it's really a good-looking, great car. I would really prefer it with silver wheels. Just imagine this beautiful blue paint with some great light silver wheels. It would just, yeah, make such a huge difference. But despite that, I do like listening to music a lot, and I have to say the Bowers & Wilkins sound system is really great. Really clear sound quality, which, yeah, brings me to the next point. Obviously, taking this car to the Black Forest and driving it fast around these roads is possible, but it's actually not really the point of this car. I see this car much more as a potential sporty daily driver that needs to have all the comforts that you need, because taking off this morning and, yeah, doing 2 appointments before heading into the Black Forest, it was just a very comfy, yeah, great cruiser. And I would 100% just sit in here and drive 1,000 kilometers to some very beautiful places to enjoy it on some even more spectacular roads.